Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to give advice to our ladies. We say they know if you do without as girl. Now, I want to talk to because enough is enough. Get one video when I see the woman they call all those ogbas or say me they come he ask girl he they thief he things they thief many of the things and they say in the way they treat the girl where they always they buy things for the girl, they do everything for the girl. So you know really don't know why the girl can't betray them like this, you know. So I can't say why you treat as girl where the girl can't like they treat you bad. Now this one be the thing. If they see who they nice to them, they will come they bad. If they see who they bad, they'll come they good. That be the problem. Where those as girl they get. How can you get that kind of woman who just they nice to you like that? You can't choose to pay her back with evil. It's not good. It's not good for what you do, my dear. Because this woman, he say in they treat you well. She they really like they treat you well. So what it can make you now? Come be say now you want to pay the woman back with evil acts like that. It's not that good, my dear. It's not that good because when I see the video, the woman say, even the woman gets man, that one saying they are away. So he not tell the woman. He not tell the woman. And I later consider the woman say, see what this girl they do, you go thief the things finish. You go there install her from one place. I'm sure it's not be deliverance. Because I always see things like this for all video. And they say for all video. I can't be surprised. How can somebody go carry things, you go there install her from one place? They said even they say so inside. The woman say it is don't finish for us. He saying they treat the girl well, they treat the girl bad. So what it can make this girl now can't get that kind of mind. Say he want to do the woman what is the what he can't pay the woman with evil. It's not good, my dear. That's what you do. You not do and well. Because when I just see the video, the way the woman can't even when the woman call Ogbas, where Ogbas come, the girl they say the girl carry this the way that they use they shook their self. Say the girl say one shook himself. So they can't have to the police can't have to enter the girl a room. They can't have to pet the girl. The girl don't come do what she want to do again. They can't bring the girl come out. So why I talk this video be say if you don't want carry as guy, I don't say person not they know those people finish. Now be the problem. You not feel know they finish. That just be the problem. Eh? How can somebody go just they will say now as guy now want to go carry? Except all those people where be say they work, all those working class ladies whether they work, they don't want do without their work. Those ones they feel they do anything way they like. I understand. They feel go they carry as gay. As me be, I don't feel do that kind of thing. I want go carry as gay because all those as gay, their own just did their body. Their own it did their body. Because I don't just understand the kind of people where they be. I can't a woman will just be nice to you like that. You go to thief the woman things. You just the thief and ever since the thief and the thief and no say one day she will catch you. I don't know why I say if this thief don't enter on her body. Una not the fit change. Una not the fit change. Una not the fit change. Una will just see continue. You don't do something the woman not catch you, you not rest. You see continue to the do. You continue to the do until she can't catch you. That kind of woman and I no fit trust as gay again. She go the fear not to carry. Because some see they will be they nice, but because of the bad ones, they don't let person know the good one. That be the problem. That be the problem. What person they get with all those people? So mama just be careful for all those as gay woman they carry. Son, if either you catch them with your husband, the jogodo with your husband, son, na even witch where they say come for their village. So different things now they follow them. Different. The one where we see for social media at that time, that one not be. It's just they beat the woman pikin every time. If the woman just come up for us go work, he go beat the pikin. He can't even stand for the pikin body. You don't know say they set camera. Now they catch that one at that time. Then they say catch that one at that time. Eh? I don't know what did they enter all those people body. If you see who employ you, say maybe they do as gay follower, use a good arm to carry those children. Not be say you can't treat the children bad. They don't take good. And if you see the good one, my dear, grab them. Use them all and way. Not be say you can't treat the children bad. You know they good. You know they fair like that. You understand? You know they fair. Eh? Now this one be the thing. Who get cap, you know go get leg. Who get leg, you know go get cap. That just be the problem. That just be the problem. How can you just see person way they nice to you like that? The next thing you just begin they do that kind bad. Eh? You just begin they do that kind bad to them. Begin they thief the woman things. They thief farm. They thief farm. You don't thief and. You not reach. You still continue. You still continue. Both the go reach the woman, children close. You don't pack or finish this small girl. When I would lie, so now I want to ask girl, and pretend to be nice. If I don't enter the house finish, now I come bring una character come out. You know they're good now. You know they're good for what una they do. Eh? You know they're good. And wow. My people, wanna be careful. Wanna just be careful. Really. If not be camera, you see get one when I see. One video when I see with the girl. That one just they beat the small pikin. He they beat him. He they beat. Don't they not say camera day? What is just good for now? All those people will be say they like us get for us. I want to give on advice. They set camera for us. Now just they born better. They set camera where be say they don't go even know. So that maybe they know whether they maltreat your children. Because children they don't go fit talk. And they really feel for children. That's why even to leave pikin for person. Me I dey fear. I fear. My mind know the reach ground. I'll say, oh, who know whether they maltreat my pikin now? Who know whether they beat him now? I go they fear. Because because your pikin, if you get what you go do, you go like him. You not go want beat him. You just leave him. But if you leave about person, you not dead there, my dear. Your mind not go reach ground there. You go the fear, eh? You go the fear. That kind of fear will enter your body. So my people, I beg, what would they reason before we go they do things? All those ask girl of 18, what would they be careful? Put on for prayer. I don't say person on the right hand for what saying they good, but just like put on for prayer, make God really like show you if this person really nice or not. Because I don't know who person why even trust they give for all those ass girl. You carry ass girl, your mind not go serious. You can do there outside, you the fear. You go the fear. Some go there, they'll just carry, they'll just begin to manipulate on our children. They'll begin they treat on our children bad. They'll begin to do different things on our children. Una not go know. Una will just you say you get ass girl, you get ass girl. You don't know what they do for us. Eh? You don't know what they do. So my people, I beg. I use God to beg una. Wanna be careful for all those ass girl wanna they carry. Wanna be careful. Just be careful, I beg. Because what did they do these days? Basically, they even they fear. Now you can imagine ass girl just they pack madam things ever since. Just of the thief farm go they sell them. The thief farm go they sell. Now this woman they pay her salary. You know, say no they even treat her bad. They even they ask the girl, I do you anything. I do you anything. You get waiting I do you. You get waiting I they do you. Where be say you not feel forgive me. The girl say no. You know they don't have anything. Suppose maybe say they do have something for talk am. If I talk am too. Even girl, you see girl one at that time now. That one I ask boy. Where he said because of God they want money. Now you just the man and the man fiancé, just made two of them together. He can't run. He can't run. Nobody know where this boy dey again. Now God can't punish him when they can't take cash. So my people, we just be careful for all those people who person they employ. You don't know them before. Now God person just they pray for. May not go carry wait to go kill and you won't put up for his house, my people. Really. I pray and that person will just they pray. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Or if you have not subscribed, but are you waiting for go and subscribe? Go and subscribe for this Lady J channel so that you go to hear more news, many topic we go to come here. Thank you and take care. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and please leave your comment for the comment section. So anything what you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye everybody, and share this video for me. Bye.